It's worth mentioning the number line to help us, first of all, visualize some additions and subtractions where we've got silly numbers, but also I'll be using it, maybe not in class too often, but certainly on one-on-one explanations to talk about how going from, say, -4 to 6 is actually 10 and not 2. But anyway, I get ahead of myself. When you start off counting, when you start off doing numbers, when you're in your crib and so on, and in between nappy changes and feedings, you learn it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that of course gets bigger as you go from the left to the right. Then when you start doing some arithmetic, you learn about the concept of zero. Now, I have absolutely no intention in going into the philosophical and existential implications of zero. We're just going to say it's, first of all, a number on the number line. And then, of course, when you start multiplying by it and dividing by it, you get funny little results. Then at some point in your maths career, you said, well, what happens if you keep going left after zero? And the answer is that you get into negative numbers, which as you go further to the left gets smaller. So 2 is greater than 1, but -1 is bigger than -2. Now, the way that the number line is usually used is to help us with additions and subtractions. If you want to do an addition, you move to the right on the number line. So consider -2 plus 6. We'll start at -2, and now we're just going to count 6 to the right because we're adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get there. And so -2 plus 6 is 4. When we do subtractions, we move to the left. So thus consider -2 now -6. So that minus there tells us we're moving to the left. We're starting at -2 and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So -2 minus 6 is equal to -8. Few extra little notes on that. If you have two minuses, you make a positive. So -2 minus -6 is actually going to be -2 plus 6. Now, kind of thinking about it on the number line is a little bit funny, but -2, right? So we're going minus, which means we're going to the left, but then we're going another minus, which means we're going to the right. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, -2 minus -6 is equal to 4. And of course, those two minuses making a positive, two wrongs make a right, however you want to think about it, don't just work for using signs like that, but they also work for multiplication and division. So 4 times 5 is +20, -4 times 5 is -20, 4 times -5 is -20, but -4 times -5, that's two minuses make a positive, is +20. Same idea for division. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by, well, -18 divided by 3 is -6. 18 divided by -3 is -6. But then -18 divided by -3, two minuses make a positive, so that gives us +6.